Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a charming residence nestled on 0.68 acres of land. It is located in the serene area of Mandeville, Jamaica, and tucked in the prestigious and well-maintained Ingleside neighbourhood. The main section boasts 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, offering ample space. The lower level features two self-contained apartments, both generating income. Each apartment comes complete with a bedroom, bathroom, living area, laundry room, and a veranda to relax on. The estate is rich with a variety of fruit trees, and for peace of mind, it's equipped with a security system. Amenities includes a 8,000-gallon water tank, solar water heater, pre-installed solar panels, piping, and 4 balconies. There is a 2-car garage, complemented by abundant additional parking space. The mountain views this property offers are simply breathtaking. This property is more than a house. It's an invitation to savor life's finest moments. Experience the warmth, comfort, and potential this property holds. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is Jamaican 72 million or US $467.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.